chased by temporary circumstances, tied by the rope of dualistic fixation, exhausted by the river of desire, caught in the web of samsaric existence, held captive by the tight shackles of karmic ripening. Even when the tidings of the Dharma reach you, you still cling to diversions and remain careless. Is it that death doesn't happen to people like you? I pity all sentient beings who think in this way. The Guru said, when you keep in mind the misery of dying, it becomes clear that all activities are causes for suffering. So give them up, cut all ties, even the smallest, and meditate in solitude on the remedy of emptiness. Nothing whatsoever will help you at the time of death, so practice the Dharma since it is your best companion. Your master and the 3 jewels are the best escort, so earnestly take refuge. To practice the Dharma is what helps your state of mind the most. Remember what you have heard, since the Dharma is the most trustworthy. No matter which teaching you practice, give up feeling sleepy, lethargic, and lazy. Instead, don the armor of diligence. No matter which teaching you have comprehended, don't separate yourself from its meaning.